Welcome to General Chemistry 2, Chapter 14, Question 2. Let's begin by working on the following question. The normal circumstances of a solution are altered so that the solution can contain more dissolved solute than its maximum solubility. What type of solution has this become? So let's start by defining the term maximum solubility. Maximum solubility. Maximum solubility equals the maximum quantity of solute that can dissolve in a certain quantity of solvent at a specific temperature or pressure. So let's just write that down. Maximum solubility is the maximum quantity of solute that can dissolve in a certain quantity of solvent at a specific temperature or pressure. Temp is short for temperature. So now that we have defined maximum solubility, let's go about defining our three answer options. So let's begin with unsaturated. And we'll just write solution to make it a little bit more clear. Now, an unsaturated solution is not at its maximum solubility. Nope, it's not at max solubility. What this means is that if you add more solute, it will dissolve. And because of this, the solution in our question cannot be unsaturated, because it says in our question that the solution can contain more dissolved solute than its maximum solubility. And in an unsaturated solution, we haven't reached the maximum solubility yet. So we know that this is wrong. Let's look at a saturated solution now. In a saturated solution, we are perfectly at our maximum solubility. And what this means is that if you add any more solute, it will not dissolve. I hope that's clear. That's an E. So we know now that we have defined a saturated solution as a solution that is perfectly at its maximum solubility, that this is not a saturated solution, because in this question it says that the solution can contain more dissolved solute than its maximum solubility. And in a saturated solution, you don't go beyond the maximum solubility, you stop right there. So now, by process of elimination, we know that the answer is supersaturated, but let's explain why. A supersaturated solution goes beyond its maximum solubility. And what this means is that if you add more solute, it will dissolve, but that's because it's not at normal conditions. And we'll say it's because the solution is not under normal conditions. And just to clarify, normal conditions are typically temperature and pressure. So we'll just put that in parentheses just so that it's clear. Meaning that the answer to our question is C, supersaturated.